So let us discuss the next question. Question number 165. Lithium has a BCC structure. Its density is 530 kg per meter cube and its atomic mass is 6.94 gram per mole. Calculate the edge length of unit cell of lithium metal. Avogadro's constant is given and 4 options are given. So this question is based on the density formula. Now formula of density is Z into atomic mass by A cube into Avogadro's number. Now see, in this question density is given in kg per meter cube. So first of all convert it into gram per centimeter cube. This is coming 0.53 gram per centimeter cube. Now this is Z. Since lithium crystallizes in BCC lattice, so value of Z will be taken as 2. Atomic mass of lithium is given in the question 6.94 gram. In denominator it is edge length cube into Avogadro's constant, and this value is also given in the question. Now if we solve this expression, edge length is coming 352 picometer. So correct answer of this question should be the third one, 352 picometer. Moving to the next question of today's paper, question number 166. The ionic radii of A positive and B negative ions are 0.98 into 10 raised to power minus 10 meter and 1.81 into 10 raised to power minus 10 meter. The coordination number of each ion in AB is. Since the compound is ionic compound, its coordination number can be predicted by knowing the radius ratio. And for any ionic compound, radius ratio is the radius of cation by radius of anion. Now in this question, radius of cation is given 0.98 into 10 raised to power minus 10 meter, and radii of anion is given 1.81 into 10 raised to power minus 10 meter. So this value is cancelled. 1.81 is slightly more than the double of 0.98. So this value is coming 0.54. Radius ratio of the given ionic compound is 0.54. If radius ratio of compound lies between 0.414 to 0.732, then coordination number of compound is taken as 6 and arrangement should be taken as octahedral. So in this given question, coordination number of both cation and anion will be taken as 6. So correct answer of the question is option 2. Second option is the correct answer of the question. So moving to the another numerical based question. Question number 167. At 100 degrees Celsius, the vapor pressure of a solution of 6.5 gram of a solute in 100 gram water is 732 mm. If Kb is 0.52, the boiling point of this solution will be, and 4 options are given. In this question, we have to calculate the boiling point of solution. It means first of all we have to calculate the delta Tb. Delta Tb is equal to Kb into molality, and formula of molality is mass of solute upon molecular mass of solute into 1000 by mass of solvent taken in gram. Now see, in this question the value of Kb is given, mass of solute is given W1, mass of solvent is given, but molecular mass of solute is unknown. So first of all we have to calculate the molecular mass of solute. Now see, how can we calculate the molecular mass of solute? The data is given. When solution is formed, its vapor pressure is 732 mm mercury. It means we can apply the formula of relative lowering of vapor pressure. So write here P naught minus Ps upon P naught. This is equal to mole fraction of solute. This one is number of moles of solute, and in denominator I am taking number of moles of solvent. P naught, pure state vapor pressure of water at 100 degrees Celsius, will be taken as boiling point of water. It means the vapor pressure is equal to 1 atmosphere, or that is 760 mm mercury. Vapor pressure of solution at 100 degrees Celsius is given 732. Pure state vapor pressure, again put the value 760. N1 is number of moles of solute. Mass of solute is given 6.5 gram. Molecular mass we can calculate. Number of moles of solvent. Mass of solvent is given 100 gram. And since solvent is water, its molecular mass is taken as 18. Now in this way we can calculate molecular mass of solute. On solving this, the value is coming 30.6 gram. Now put the molecular mass value in the above equation. So delta TB, Kb is given in the question. This is 0.52. Mass of solute 6.5 gram. Molecular mass we calculated, that is 30.6 gram into 1000. Mass of solvent is given 100. So here delta TB is coming 1.10, and we need to calculate the boiling point of solution. Boiling point of solution is 100 degree, which is boiling point of pure water, plus delta TB. So this is coming 100 plus 1.10. It means this is equal to 101.0 degree Celsius. So correct answer of the question is option 2. 101 degree Celsius is the boiling point of solution.